Standard 10th, subject English. We complete the poem. You start dying slowly, and we solve extracts on this poem. So today we learn now writing skill. Writing skills are given in this poem. Question number 7 on page number 44. This is very important question for the writing skill. Now I read it at first and tell about it. Look at on page number 44, writing skills. Go through the following steps and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. Living a better life. So points, get rid of one bad habit at a time. Second point, avoid negative thoughts, be positive. Trust yourself, love what you do. Try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner. Sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. Be humble, respect and welcome. Accept each day with a smile. So these are 6 points, very important points is given here. And so now read the question again and write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. If you want, if you understand it, you give interested another title to this your write-up or your paragraph. Now, first point is that get rid of one bad habit at a time. We have some good habits and bad habits, but bad habits are very powerful, and so first point is that get rid of one bad habit at a time. So use these points and write in your notebook as well as in your workbook also. Now second point, avoid negative thoughts, be positive. If you do anything, some work, some task, at first avoid negative thoughts of it and be positive. Think positive, and this point is very important in our life. So be positive, avoid negative thoughts there. Trust yourself, love what you do. Which thing you do it very lovingly or love what you do. Interested, you take interest in all these things and do it, you will successful. And so trust yourself, love what you do. Then try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner. So in your mind you try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner. Means in your life we learn, we are learner long life, and when we learn new things in our life day after day, we will happy, we will happy in future life. So then sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. You share your thoughts, your emotions, your anger, your happiness, like this. And so, you sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. Means you care of some things and you share something, and both makes life enjoyable. And so you are free, you express your thoughts, your emotions, your uh, some proverbs, your truth sentences, and you feel very happy, enjoyable. Uh, Life became enjoyable. Then next be humble. Be humble. This is very important point in our life. Respect and welcome to other. Accept each day with a smile. Accept each day with a smile means don't nervous, don't sad. Accept every day, each day with a smile. So this is the last point. Now you understand it. Get all this point, read again and again, and then you write this paragraph in your workbook, also in your notebook. Now we complete it. If you have any difficulty about this, you can ask me. So we stop here. We complete it.